suggestion is Darjeeling and Kalimpong. The hilly district Darjeeling of the Indian state West Bengal is famous for surreal natural beauty. It is the place where you can enjoy the beauty of the gorgeous Himalayan mountains, mystic forest. The best time to visit Darjeeling and Kalimpong is from November to May, that is in winter and summer. During this time, the sky will be clear and you will get a stunning view of the Himalayan peaks like Kanchenjunga. How to reach? Darjeeling can be reached both by train or air. By train, you will have to reach New Jalpaiguri railway station, and by air, have to land at Bagdogra airport. From there, you will get a shared or reserved car to reach Darjeeling by road. The journey will be of 3 to 4 hours. The tour guide. Darjeeling is one of the best hill stations in India. It is a place where you can find an old colonial charm to date. The best thing to enjoy here is a ride to the famous Himalayan mountain railway. Try to avail the toy train ride on the first day of your tour. Next day, early in the morning at around 4 am, start your journey towards Tiger Hill and see turning to the town. First stop at Batasia Loop, the most beautiful rail path of the country situated amidst lush greeneries. Next, visit Khum Monastery, a popular Buddhist shrine. After breakfast, first go to see Himalayan Mountaineering Institute and Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park. Next, see the nearby Tenzing and Gombu Rock, which is a huge natural rock used for rock climbing training by HMI. From here, you will visit one of the famous tea gardens of Darjeeling, Pattabong Tea Estate. From here, go to Japanese Peace Pagoda. Situated on a hilltop surrounded by forest, this is a beautiful Japanese style temple. To reach the main pagoda and the statue of Lord Buddha, you will have to climb number of steps. But from the top, the views of the surrounding is awesome and you can clearly see the Kanchenjunga peak from here if the sky is clear. From here, visit two beautiful parks, Darjeeling Rock Garden and Ganga Maya Park. On third day, first visit Lamahatta, a small village near the town, and see the nature park here, which is popular for ecotourism. Next, visit another tea garden, Happy Valley Tea Estate. In the evening, you can enjoy a walk around the famous Darjeeling Mall. On next day, visit Mirik Lake while returning. If you don't have a 4 days vacation, you can easily skip the third day tour and visit Mirik on third day and return back to your home. Another great 3 days tour package you can enjoy here is of Tagda, Tinchule and Lamahatta. All these are quiet hilly villages of the district and are now gaining popularity as offbeat locations. Lamahatta, as I mentioned earlier, a small village popular for ecotourism. Tinchule is another beautiful hilly village in the region, and Tagda is a picturesque location surrounded by mystic Himalayan forest. You can cover some great places of this hilly district on weekend also. For a weekend tour to this region, our first suggestion is of Tabakoshi and Mirik. Both these are small and scenic villages where Tabakoshi is popular for its tea gardens and Mirik for its beautiful lake. Our next suggestion for a weekend tour is a tour to Karshiang, a small town near Darjeeling where you will see the beautiful Dow Hill and Makaibari tea estate, the oldest tea estates of the region. Our third suggestion for a weekend tour is Kalimpong. Located on a ridge connecting two hills, Durpin and Delo, Kalimpong is another beautiful hill station in North Bengal. The most famous places you can visit in and around Kalimpong are Morgan House, a British colonial bungalow which is now a hotel managed by West Bengal Tourism Development Corporation. Army Golf Course, a well-maintained golf course famous for its panoramic view of surrounding mountains. Durpin Monastery, a famous monastery of the region blessed by the visiting Dalai Lama in the year 1976. Orchid Nursery, a place dotted with many familiar and rare orchids and flowers. Delo Hill, a scenic hill surrounded by a well-maintained garden. Lord Buddha statue and park. Hanuman Temple. Goddess Durga Temple. Mangal Dham, a temple built in the memory of Sri Mangal Das Ji Maharaj. A great 3-day-long tour package of this region is of Lavha, Lolegaon and Rishab, 3 beautiful small villages near Kalimpong where you can enjoy abundant natural beauty. From Kalimpong, you can also visit 3 other scenic spots of Old Silk Route. These places are Silarigaon, Ichegaon and Ramdhura. On a clear day, Mount Kanchenjunga is clearly visible from these places. Other than these packages, you can also avail some great offbeat packages including places like Latpanchar, Chatakpur, Shrikhola, Lepchajagat, Tumling, Tonglu, Tabakoshi, Sandakpur, which is a famous trekking route, or Chota Mangwa. All these are beautiful sleepy villages near Darjeeling where you can spend your time on an extended weekend. Here, I would like to mention that if you have time in hand, then you can club 2 or 3 destinations here and enjoy a long vacation in the lap of Himalayas. In our channel, we do have detailed tour plan of most of these locations. Please check the description box for those video links. All the package charges vary between Rs 8,000 to 9,000 per head approximately. Please note that the rates may vary due to season and some other unavoidable circumstances.